Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the drilling operation. Okay, controller will be the Fanuc as usual. Let's go on the profile. This is your raw material which dia is 80 mm. Okay, you have to make a drill at the center of the workpiece of dia 25 of about length 30 mm. Okay, all these dimensions are in mm. Okay, so drill dia is 25 and length is about 30 mm. Okay, so let's begin the program. So first is your program number O1234, then T0000, G00, X0, G00, Z0. These two are for homing. Then T03 tool offset call. Okay, then safety. G00, Z 2.0. Okay, and what will be the X safety? So before drilling operation we put X safety like raw metal dia plus 2 mm, but in this case it will be G00, X 0.0. So in 2-axis turning machine we can drill at the center of the workpiece. So apart from center, every point is moving, so we can't drill at that point. We can drill at the center of the workpiece. Okay, so this is Z safety, this one is X 0.0, right at the center of the workpiece. Then coolant on M7. Okay, I forgot to write something over here. In this, before T03, in between T03 and G00 Z2.0, we have to write this line. G97 is let it be 450 and M4. Okay, this line should be placed in between this and this T0303 and between G00 Z2.0. Okay, which is G97 constant spindle speed. This one is spindle speed 450. This one is what? Rotation in anti-clockwise direction, M4 spindle rotation. Okay, so after coolant on, there is a G code for drilling operation, which is G83. G83 Z is minus 30.0. Q let it be 200. R will be your like 0.1. F let's take 0.2. Okay, so after that we have to move the drill bit in Z direction. If you move that drill bit in X direction, the drill bit will break. Okay, before moving that in X direction we have to pull it out in Z. So G01, Z 2.0, then G00, X 82.0, then your M5 is your spindle off, M9 is your coolant off. Okay, then G97, T0000, then homing, G00, Z0, G00, X0, then this is RAM30. Program end and rewind. Okay, so there is lots of things are going on, so let's talk about this thing. Okay, what are these stuff? Z is your total distance in Z direction. Total distance in Z direction. Okay, and Q is your incremental depth of cut. Incremental depth of cut. Okay, This one is 200 micron, not okay. This is 200 micron. R is your retraction. F is your feed. Clear? So Z is your total distance in Z direction while drilling. Q is the incremental depth of cut. R is the retraction. F is the feed. Okay, this is all about the drilling operation. Clear? There are a few things I need to add over here. So in drafting or in any profile, if drill distance in Z direction is given like this, let's say it's 50, okay, then you can directly put Z minus 50. Okay, if the distance is given like this, the length of total drill is this, say 30. Okay, you have to find out the distance. You have to find out this distance. Let's drill let's say it's 15. Okay, so this length can be determined. Okay, its value is 0.3 D. Okay, D is the diameter of your drill bit. D is the diameter of your drill bit. Okay, so diameter of drill bit is how much? 15. So 0.3 into 15. So it's so it will be 4.5. Okay, so Z will be 30 plus. Z will be 30 plus 4.5. So it will be 34.5 in negative direction. Okay, this is how you're gonna find that distance, unknown distance. So your drill program starts from here and ends over here. This is all about the drilling operation and nothing else.